We Muslims, we have many excuses. Many of the Muslims say that when we go to the non-Muslims, to the Christians, etc., they tell us that first you improve your Muslims, then come and talk to us. There are thousands of Christian missionaries who are traveling hundreds of miles to convey their message. And these Christian missionaries, many of them, they drink alcohol. Do you drink alcohol? I ask the Muslim, and he says no. Who is better, him or you? These Christian missionaries, they commit adultery. Who is better, him or you? With all these defects, yet they are conveying the message of Christianity, traveling thousands of miles. Therefore, it is the duty of every Muslim to do dawah. And many of the Muslims, they say that first we will make the Musalman pakka Musalman, then we will do dawah. That time will never come. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in Medina itself, there were many people who used to not come for the salah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that he felt like burning their houses. Yet he sent letters to the king of Abyssinia, king of Rome, king of Persia, inviting them towards Islam. What was he doing? Making Musalman pakka Musalman. And in the last sermon, at the time of the Hajjul Wida, the Prophet ﷺ said, there were 100,000 Sahabas. And he told the Sahabas that all those who are present here, pass on the message to those who are absent. And most of the Sahabas, they were doing dawah. Most of the Sahabas, they were buried outside Medina. What were they doing? Making Musalman pakka Musalman? They were conveying the message of Islam. So both are equally important. When you meet a Muslim, you do Islah, and when you meet a non-Muslim, you do dawah. For example, if there's a doctor, and if he has to treat two patients, one has got a heart attack, and one has common cold. So who will he treat? But naturally, the person who has heart attack.